Hello, my dear students. I am Bhagat, your teacher, and I hope you all are fine and enjoying your time. Today's topic is continuous tense. As you know that continuous tense indicates any action in progress. Now the details. First of all, let's talk about present continuous tense. Definition is present continuous tense is used when the action is in progress at present. For example, he is writing. While making simple sentence, with the help of this tense, we use subject plus is or am as helping verbs plus first form of verb as main verb plus ing plus object. Helping verb is used with he, she, it or single person in case of singular subject. Our helping verb is used with we, you, they or more than one person. These are plural subjects. When I is a subject, am is used as helping verb. First form of verb plus ing comes as main verb. This thing is to be remembered all the time. Now let me tell you something more. The examples are simple sentence example is I am playing football. While making negative sentence with the help of this tense, we can say I am not playing football. Interrogative is am I playing football? Interrogative plus negative, am I not playing football? Now the past continuous tense. Definition is past continuous tense tells us about any action in progress in the past at any particular time. For example, she was dancing. While making simple sentence in this tense, we use subject plus was helping verb. Was helping verb is used with I, he, she, it or the name of one person. On the other hand, were is used with plural subjects like we, you, they, etc. Plus first form of verb as you know plus ing plus object. Now the examples of this tense. Simple sentence he is or you can say he was eating bananas. Negative sentence they were not going to the fish market. Interrogative were we doing a good job? Interrogative plus negative wasn't I present in the program? Now let's discuss future tense or you can say future continuous tense. Definition is future continuous tense tells us about any action in progress in the future at any particular time. Example, he will be washing his clothes. While making simple sentence with this tense, we use subject plus will be or shall be as helping verb. Remember, shall be is used in some cases only when I or we are as subjects plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Let me tell you some examples. Simple sentence example is he will be dancing in the party. Negative sentence we shall not be playing cricket tomorrow. Interrogative will you be going to school next week? Interrogative plus negative. Will he not be sending me a gift? Students, remember one thing, that shall helping verb is used with I or we when the speaker is not sure about what he or she is saying. For example, we shall be talking on phone. Here, the speaker is not sure about he or she will be able to talk or not. Thank you. Have a nice time.